Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. We put what is best for us in our bodies. Why wouldn't we do the same thing for our pets? This omega-3 oil from Plano Paws is an all-natural fish oil that benefits my cats, but they like it, which is the best part. The oil comes in a generously sized bottle, and it's really easy to dispense thanks to the pump. I find that putting the oil onto their wet food or onto their treats is really good for them. They enjoy it and they gobble it up. I also like it because you can just put a little bit into a bowl, and that way your cats get a little instant treat as well. We have an older cat who has definitely been experiencing a little bit of arthritis pain. I noticed it when she jumps and when we pick her up, and we've seen a noticeable improvement from her taking this oil. The best part is that they actually like it, because why would you invest in something that your cats are not going to like? However, they enjoy it, and I know that it's good for them, which gives me peace of mind. And that's my point of view.